In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink in Confluence. Let's start by opening the Confluence page where you want the link to live. Make sure you're on the correct space and page, especially if your organization uses a detailed page tree. It helps to confirm you have permission to edit the page. If you don't see editing options, you may need to ask your space admin for access. Once the page is open, click Edit at the top. This switches the page into the editor so you can make changes. You'll know you're in editing mode when the formatting toolbar appears across the top of the page. If you don't see it, you might still be on the published view. Next, highlight the text you want to turn into a link. Choose words that clearly describe where the link goes, like project plan or release notes, rather than a raw URL. This makes your content more readable and accessible. With the text selected, click the link icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. This opens the link dialog where you can add your destination. You have two main options here: link to an external website or link to another Confluence page. If you're linking to an external site, paste the full URL into the field. Double check that it includes the correct protocol like HTTPS and that there aren't any extra spaces. It's a good idea to test the URL in a separate tab first if you're unsure. If you want to link to a Confluence page, start typing the page title in the search field. Confluence will suggest pages from your spaces. Pick the exact page you want, paying attention to the space name if there are similarly titled pages. Linking internally keeps things consistent if page URLs change later, since Confluence maintains those references. After you've chosen or pasted your destination, apply the link. You'll see your selected text now styled as a hyperlink in the editor, typically underlined or in a different color. If you made a mistake, you can select the text again and click the link icon to edit or remove it. When you're happy with the change, publish the page. This saves your edit and switches you back to the live view. Finally, test the hyperlink to confirm it opens correctly. Click it and make sure it takes you to the right page or website without errors. If it doesn't, return to edit mode and adjust the link target. That's it. You've added a clear, reliable hyperlink in Confluence, making your page easier to navigate and your documentation more useful.